Today we're talking about the GM LSx belt drive timing systems from Innovators West. The number 5200 LS belt drive timing system incorporates a two-piece billet machine cover for ease of access to the camshaft without having to disassemble the engine. It also includes precision machined upper and lower gears, as well as an idler pulley for being able to properly tension the belt. The number 5201 LS belt drive timing system has all the same features as the number 5200, but it also incorporates big block shivving mounting gears into the lower timing cover section. The big block shivving mounting gears provide you the ability to purchase off-the-shelf common accessory items such as vacuum pumps, oil pumps, and fuel pumps, and mount them to the front of your engine without having to fabricate custom mounting solutions incorporated into a motor plate. The Innovators West LSx belt drive timing systems are also custom machined covers allow you to mount to a stock or aftermarket block without the expensive and time-consuming CNC modifications needed from other belt manufacturers. If you have any questions or need additional information, please contact us at any time.